In this video, the product we'll be looking at is FoxHunt. If you've ever shopped online across multiple stores and you wish you had a central place to store the different products from this different store, that is what FoxHunt does. FoxHunt is a Chrome extension which improves online shopping experience, and it helps bridge the gap of having a shared cart across different websites, online websites. So this is their website, and it's a straightforward website. It just tells you a bit about this. It looks really nice, and here's how it works. You shop, you add your product to cart, and you can share your cart ID. It's pretty much straightforward. So let's see how to use the product itself. In using the product after installation, there will be a link in the description of this video on how to install Chrome extension. You would find the list of installed extensions you have here, and the name of this is FoxHunt. So I have pinned mine for easy access, so it can be easily accessed from the upper tab. You select this. Once it's selected, you get a page saying you have to restart the browser. So in a few seconds, I will have to close the tabs and the extension would have to be reloaded. Now we have the Chrome tab reloaded and our extension has also been reloaded. Let's navigate to the upper right, select our extension icon. Now we see a pop-up. In this pop-up is a straightforward layout. We have our cart profile and a create button to create multiple cart profiles. We will check the default cart profile named my cart, and we have no items in this cart, so there are nothing. Let's go back. So we would be trying to actually use this extension cart profile by shopping online. We're on Amazon website, and let's select an item and see how to use the extension cart profile. So we have the men's watch ultra thin minimalist waterproof. It's $32, and when we would be using the extension cart profile, we would try to add it to this cart profile named my cart. Currently we have nothing there, so we look at it the way an online shopper does. We check the ratings, we look at everything and all the good stuff. If this looks good and we are happy with it, we want to add it to our extension cart profile. We do a right click and do add to FoxHunt cart. After that is done, we see an item saved. This shows that we have successfully added this product to our extension cart profile. To view the product, we would check here, select the my cart, and we have our product there. Let's add an extra product. So what do we want to check for next? Let's check for couch. And which couch looks good? This looks great, so we are going to look at it again. The same thing applies to this product. It's get added to our my cart because this is currently the default one, and we would be adding it. So currently we see we have only one product there, and we just want to add this one. So we look at this, we check the rating, looks good, 59%, 5, 4, all looking good. And if you want to check different colors, which comes with different sizes, everything looks good. Next is just going to do a right click again and add to FoxHunt cart. Once we have done that, we wait and we see that this has been successfully saved to the cart profile. Just to check, we select our extension icon, come to the cart profile, and we see that we now have 2 items in our cart profile. So let's check another site. We would be going to ASOS, and same thing applies to ASOS. On ASOS, the extension is still available across the different tabs. If you select it, you would see you have the cart profile and you have 2 products. Now we just want to add another product from another site. So let's look for this. We select one of this product, and this is it. So this has this, and it comes at this prices, and it comes in like different colors, and different colors come with different prices. We check out the good stuff. If this looks good, we're happy. It has a free delivery on qualified orders and free returns. So we just check watch video, which is how we do when we shop. If this is also good, we do a right click and select add to FoxHunt cart. Now this has been successfully saved. We go back to our extension and check what's in our product. So we have this one, we have this one, and we have a third one. It's totally fine. The image is fine. So we have the Mochi exclusive merge alternate. So we have added something from a different site. We can go to the men's clothing section if we want. On the men's clothing section in our extension pop-up, we have one which we just added from the women's section, and we would try and shop from the men's section from a different site. So we select one of this, we look at the clothing, which one looks good. We have this, we can select this one, we check the different fit of it, the price. Saying delivery, you can select your size, you can select which one is available. 436 people like this, which also looks good. Now we do a right click and also add this to our extension cart profile. So now we have saved across two sites and we navigate back to our cart profile. We try to find what's there, and now we have two from ASOS and we have two from Amazon. So another interesting thing you can do is if you open your cart profile, if you select on any of the item, it takes you to the product itself. So you have that here, and if you select this one, which is from ASOS, it also takes you to the ASOS product. If you would like to share this with friends, you could go to your cart profile, click the copy link, and you can paste it here. So once you paste it in this, what you're gonna see is these are the different products you have added, and you can share this link with friends and they can also check out like the different things. It also shows like the different stores where you have picked your product from, if you want just ASOS or you want Amazon, and that is what you have. At the moment, the extension currently supports just 2 sites and more are currently being added. The 2 sites currently supported are Amazon and ASOS. Navigating back to the extension icon, the final feature we would be looking at is cart profiles. So the create button from earlier, once you create this, you can like create a new cart profile. You can call it enters cards and you can save. So if you save this, you can like make it the default. You can also rename or you can delete it off your extension pop-up. So you can have multiple cart profiles for multiple group of products, and you can utilize the extension cart profile and add different products to that. So this is a great product. This is FoxHunt. It helps you add multiple products from different e-commerce sites utilizing their central cart profiles, and it's pretty much easy to use. That's it for this video. Let me know what you think about FoxHunt and what other sites you would like FoxHunt to integrate. Bye.